Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing how to get the Pico development trackers working again within your Pico Neo 3 Link and Pico 4 headsets. This is not applicable to the Pico 4 Ultra. So straight away, to fix this, what we're going to need to do is have a system settings APK handy. I'll leave a link in the video description. Download that, transfer it onto your headset storage, and it will appear in the APK section. Click to install, and then go to your library and find the newly installed system settings. We're going to open this. We're going to go to apps and notifications. We're going to go to see all apps. Scroll down to the motion tracker. And with any luck, you should see the three dots in the top right hand corner. Click that and then click uninstall updates. Click OK and then close the window. Now what should happen in the next instance that you start the motion tracker, do not update it, just click to launch. It will start fresh and it will now give you the use motion tracker DK option. So you can click this and continue to pair and use your trackers as you normally were. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Cheers.